Hey guys, today January 1st, 2026. Now is 9 p.m. and we have the first ever trading session for the 2026. And so I wanted to talk about the market structure for gold today. So let's recap last week when we have the analysis for gold. So as a reminder, last week I made my analysis for gold that I've seen some kind of selling pressure around this level 40 44.95 and then 45.23 and then another sell-off around here. So I made my analysis that if we see some selling off or selling pressure or big selling order around this level and pushes through this level 44.50 and 44.30, we're gonna be seeing some kind of bigger selling off. So the first sign is this candle, and we see some follow through here. So all of this happening on Monday, December 29. And with this, we have the broken of the daily structure. So if we see on the daily chart, we see that this sell-off on Monday, December 29 is a mark that the daily structure, daily support is broken. And then I have waited for the next day to see if this is a false flag or not. So the next day is going up initially, but then it got some bigger selling pressure at around 4400, and then we closed the day lower, and then the next day is going lower and then trying to recover, but it failed to recover, and then it closed the day in red. So after 2 days of the initial sell-off, we can kind of with high probability that this is not the false flag. So right now gold is trying to recover some losses on previous days, and I'm gonna wait and see if we have the recovery until this level, which is the level that it got the pushing down the price at around 4400. So at this level, if it reaches this level, there's a high chance that it's gonna follow through to push it lower. So my plan is to see if it is going down from here, then it's gonna, I think that it's gonna going up to recover part of that. So let's say it is not going up to the level of 4400, and then it goes down from here it is a high chance that it's not gonna go down like straight toward like 4,000. It's gonna go down. In my analysis, it's gonna go down around this level, 4171 here, which is the support here, as we can see here. And it's gonna have some recovery from that. That's the case number one. If it went down straight from here. But in the other case, if it goes up from here to this level, 4,400, I'm gonna plan to have some short order around this level. And then the stop loss is gonna be above that. When it goes up to higher, around breaking this level decisively. So first of all, we're gonna have to see if it goes up from here to 4,400. And then my plan is to place some selling order around here. And then the stop loss is gonna be when this level is decisively broken. And then if it goes down straight from here, my plan is to wait and see the momentum. But normally it usually have a high chance that is gonna have some recovery from this level. So that's my plan for this week and next week. All right, thank you very much, and see you in the next session.